If you machine metal parts, you probably begin each job by receiving oversized saw-cut raw material. The raw material must be prepared for finish machining, which can account for as much as 50% of the total time spent on the job. Material prep entails pre-machining each part for flatness, squareness, parallelism, and to net or near net dimension. The pre-machining process not only takes up valuable shop time, but can account for as much as 10% of material waste or scrap on a given job. First, the material must be machined on both sides to specified thickness and flatness tolerances. Before proceeding, the material must be checked for flatness, then loaded back into the CNC machine and machined for squareness and parallelism. Finally, the material can then be machined to net or near net size, making it ready for the finished machining process. Prepping material for machining requires a lot of valuable shop time. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if you could get materials that are fully prepped to your specifications and arrive ready for the high-value finished machining process? What if you could choose the exact alloy you require, including aluminum, stainless steel, and more? Not only that, but what if the tolerances were as close as 5/10 dimensionally and flat within 2000s and made to stay that way by resisting part movement during final machining? What if you could order pre-machined materials from 1 to thousands of parts, with every part guaranteed the same quality? And what if you could order your pre-machined materials in any size or shape you want? With machine-ready blanks, you can eliminate in-house material prep, reduce bottlenecks waiting for materials, reduce scrap, and increase machining throughput by 25% or more, all without increasing overhead. Precision machine-ready blanks are clean, deburred, individually packaged, and arrive ready to go directly from receiving to finished machining. Contact us today for more information or to request a quote.